Hello students, today let us speak some common topics from class 6th CBSE chapter 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 1 is food, where does it come from, and chapter 2 food components. Let us speak about the food variety, which is activity 1. What do we eat in everyday meal? In one day meal, either in breakfast, lunch, snacks and the dinner. So those food items can be made with the help of different ingredients or food materials. For example, dosa can be made with the help of ingredients like rice, black gram, salt and oil. Most of the ingredients which are used in food items can be comes from plant sources like plant parts, leaves, bark, stem, seeds, fruit, flowers, roots and birds. Different types of food items contains nutrients, a substance that provides nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and for growth, which are again divides into types of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. The first nutrient is about carbohydrate, which can provide us energy. The source of carbohydrate is from starch and sugars, which further divides into complex carbohydrates and simple carbohydrates. So the complex carbohydrate examples are sweet potato, brown bread and potatoes, banana. Simple carbohydrates we can get it from plain bread, potato chips and few drinks. Second type of nutrient is about proteins, which can help us to build our body, to grow also. Under that, the examples or the sources are few items of meat, chicken, milk and processed food also, as well as few dry fruits and pulses. Third nutrient is about fats, which can also provide us energy, but most of the food items which are processed through the milk products, dairy products can provide us fats, under which the sources are ghee, butter, cheese as well as ice creams and few chocolates. Few more examples are honey, apples, spinach, almonds, yogurt, beans, oats, sweet potato and eggs. Fourth type of nutrient is about vitamins. It protects us from germs and disease. So the different sources of fruits, vegetables can provide different types of vitamins. Vitamin A beneficial in treating eye disorders, skin infections. Vitamin B9 reduces risk of neural tube defects during pregnancy. Vitamin B12 provides relief from symptoms of anemia. Vitamin C helps treat scurvy, cancer and common cold. Vitamin D aids in treating arthritis or bone problem. Vitamin E improves blood circulation and slows down aging process also. Vitamin K reduces risk of menstrual pain and internal bleeding. Fifth type of nutrient is about minerals, which can make our immunity system stronger. The sources of minerals are magnesium, cofactor for metabolic enzymes, chemicals. Then iron can provide transportation of oxygen. Potassium regulates heartbeat, membrane potential, and zinc help us to boost up our body immunity and heal wounds. Chlorides produce hydrochloric acid in stomach. Iodine produce thyroid hormones and phosphate synthesis of DNA and bones. Sodium control body fluids, maintain pH balance. Copper metabolism of iron and enzymes. Dietary fibers can play a major role in the digestion of any type of food. It helps in digestion. It prevents constipation. It helps in easy bowel movement. The sources of dietary fibers are which can comes from thick cell wall of plants. It is an indigestible complex carbohydrate. So the raw food can help us to get dietary fibers. Let us speak most important point about the balanced diet, which is required in everyday meal. all the nutrients required in equal amounts according to age limits. Nutrients intake may be different. Every food item's ingredients must be in regular check. So when we are going to in the regular diet, we should take the nutrients in the form of a required amount, which can be measured in the form of food pyramid. In the food pyramid, what we should take it more in amount has given in the basal portion of the food pyramid, and what we should consume it less in amount, that comes in the narrow part of the food pyramid. So under that, the first position will be taken away by physical exercises, and the second position is about carbohydrate, which comes from cereals, and then it will comes about the vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables and nuts also. And the next position is about proteins, which can comes from vegetable oils, eggs, chicken, and the last position of this food pyramid is about sweets, some amount of fats and meat.